The script doesn't contain the word marvels. The Great Wall wasn't built in a day or a year or even a century. Its construction spans over multiple dynasties and centuries. Our journey begins around 221 years before Christ, during the reign of the Qin dynasty. The genesis of the wall was born out of a necessity to protect the newly unified China from potential invasions. The northern tribes, known for their swift and unpredictable attacks, posed a constant threat to the empire. This led to the decision of constructing a formidable fortification, an architectural endeavor of unprecedented scale and ambition that would serve as a shield against these invasions. The initial construction process was a grueling task involving millions of workers, many of whom were conscripted peasants, prisoners, and soldiers. They toiled under harsh conditions, using primitive tools and their sheer willpower to lay the foundation of what would become one of the greatest wonders of the world. Though it started with the Qin dynasty, the wall we see today is largely the work of the Ming dynasty. So, how did they do it? How did the ancient Chinese manage to build a structure that spans over 21,000 kilometers? It's an intriguing question, isn't it? The Great Wall of China, an engineering marvel, was constructed using basic principles that were ahead of their time. The wall isn't a single monolithic structure, but a collection of walls, fortifications, and other military structures. The Chinese had to adapt their construction methods to various landscapes, from towering mountains and vast deserts to winding rivers. Take the mountains, for example. To build the wall across these rugged terrains, the engineers followed the natural contours of the land, creating a sinuous path that exploited the defensive potential of the topography. This was a testament to their understanding of the land and their ability to use it to their advantage. In the deserts, the Chinese faced a different set of challenges. Here they used layers of sand and gravel, compacted and held together by reed mats, creating a firm base for the wall. This method was not only practical but also resourceful, using materials that were readily available in the arid landscape. When it came to rivers, the engineers designed cleverly positioned watchtowers on both banks, connected by chains or ropes to form a simple yet effective barrier. This demonstrated their ability to innovate and adapt to the diverse challenges posed by the terrain. The wall's construction materials varied based on the local resources. In the northern parts, builders used tamped earth and wood, while in the eastern regions, bricks and stones were more common. This diversity of materials is a testament to the resourcefulness of the ancient Chinese, using what was at hand to create a structure that has lasted millennia. Despite the lack of modern technology, their ingenuity and resourcefulness resulted in a structure that has stood the test of time. The Great Wall of China is more than just a wall. It's a testament to the human spirit, a symbol of resilience and ingenuity that continues to inspire us today. Building the Great Wall was not without its challenges. To say the undertaking was immense would be an understatement. The challenges were colossal, much like the wall itself. Let's begin with the natural hurdles. The wall was built across some of the most challenging terrains, from steep mountains to vast deserts. The harsh and unpredictable weather conditions added another layer of difficulty. Blistering summers, freezing winters, and sudden storms transformed the construction site into a battleground against nature itself. Then there was the sheer scale of the project. Spanning over 13,000 miles, the wall required millions of tons of materials. Transporting these materials across rough terrains was a logistical nightmare. The workers had to dig canals, build roads, and even invent new tools just to keep the construction going. But perhaps the most poignant of these challenges was the human cost. The Great Wall was built on the backs of the common people. Farmers, soldiers, prisoners, they were all forced into labor. The work was grueling, the conditions harsh, and the penalties for failure were severe. Many lost their lives to exhaustion, disease, or accidents. Their sacrifices are etched into every stone, every brick of the wall. Despite these enormous challenges, the people persevered. They adapted, they innovated, they survived. They transformed a monumental vision into a tangible reality. The Great Wall stands as a testament to the resilience and determination of the people who built it. The Great Wall of China is more than just a wall. It is a symbol of a civilization's strength and endurance. A testament to human innovation, the wall's architectural and engineering prowess has stood for centuries, steadfast against the ravages of time and weather. Its construction techniques and the materials used, ranging from tamped earth to bricks and stones, are a rich source of knowledge for modern civil engineering and architecture students. The principles of physics, geometry, and materials science employed here are still relevant today, teaching us that the lessons from the past are invaluable in shaping our future. But the wall isn't just an engineering case study, it's also a cultural icon and a historical monument. It embodies the spirit of a civilization that dared to dream big, to protect their homeland from invaders. The wall, with its watchtowers, beacon towers, and fortresses, tells a tale of a society that valued vigilance and strategic planning. Its significance extends beyond its physical structure. It has become a symbol of unity and perseverance, a testament to mankind's ability to achieve monumental tasks. It's a beacon that draws millions of tourists each year, allowing them to walk its length and feel the echoes of history beneath their feet. From an engineering marvel to a symbol of cultural heritage, the Great Wall of China continues to stand tall, echoing the stories of a bygone era.